Please see this question, sir. Again, a very beautiful question. Your question is the ratio of milk and water in a vessel is 8:5. So milk and water ratio is given as 8:5 in the question. Next statement. If we add 44 liters milk and 44 liters water, I am adding 44 liters of milk and I am also adding 44 liters of water. If I add 44 liters of milk and 44 liters of water, then the quantity of milk becomes 28.5714% more than water. That means quantity of milk becomes 28.5714 is nothing but 2/7 more than water. More is nothing but increase. I explained this very clearly in my morning session today that whatever is coming after than should come in the denominator. After than water is coming, that means denominator 7 represents water value. That means 7 is nothing but the value of water. Now how much is milk then? Milk is nothing but 2/7 increase means from 7 there is an increase of 2. From 7 if I increase by 2, what will be milk value? 7 plus 2 is 9. Numerator is 2 increase, so 7 plus 2 is 9. Now I told you that what is the question right now, sir? Right now the question is, can I say that the same logic I will implement? If you observe what I taught you earlier, same logic. According to the ratio, initially it was 8 liters of milk. Now it is 9 liters of milk. That means I am adding 1 liter of milk. But according to the ratio, 5 liter water became 7 liter water. That means I added 2 liters of water. If the water also was added only 1 liter, I could have easily solved it. Now I cannot that easily solve it. But I already taught you a particular problem of this particular method. What is the method which I taught you? 8 and 5 difference. How much is the difference between 8 and 5? The difference is 3. This difference of 3 multiply with the other ratio. That means the second ratio I multiply by 3. 9 and 7 the difference is 2. This difference of 2 multiply with the first ratio. So my new chart will now look like 2 into 8, 2 into 5. It is 16:10. 3 into 9, 3 into 7. It is 27:21. Can I say that according to the ratio, 16 liters of milk became 27 liters of milk. That means I am adding 11 liters. 10 liters of water became 21 liters of water. Again I am adding that same number called as 11 liters. According to ratio, I am adding 11 liters. But question says I am adding 44 liters of both milk and water. Question says it is 44 liters. 11 into 4 is 44. What is the main statement, sir? Find the initial quantity of water. Initial quantity of water means initial quantity of water. Water initially is how much? Initially water is 10 liters. That 10 also should be multiplied by 4. Answer for this beautiful question is 10 into 4, 40 liters. Now please see here. You might get a doubt. Sir, in all the last 2 to 3 problems, whatever you have solved, you are adding some quantity of mixture or you are adding some quantity of water. You are only adding in each case. What if I subtract? What if I subtract? The approach will still remain the same, sir. That is the beauty of learning through concept. Now see here. Your question is the ratio of milk and water in a vessel is 11:7. Initial ratio of milk and water, it is 11:7. Sorry, 11:7, right, sir? I wrote it as 9. Initial ratio of milk and water is, it is 11:7. This is the first statement. Second statement is by chemical process. By chemical process, if we extract 24 liters of milk by chemical process, if we extract 24 liters of milk, then the ratio becomes 13:9. That means by some process called as chemical process, I will take out 24 liters of milk. Because I am taking out 24 liters of milk, the new ratio becomes 13:9. Find the quantity of water in the vessel. Find the quantity of water. Now see here. Again same logic. In the previous cases I was adding milk or I was adding water. Now I am subtracting milk or water. It really does not make any difference, sir. Can I say that? I am taking out milk from the vessel. That means water quantity will not change. How much ever water was present initially, same water should be present finally. But 7 and 9, they both are different numbers. Make it as same. LCM of 7 and 9 is 63. 7 multiplied by 9 is 63. 9 multiplied by 7 is 63. Now my new diagram becomes 11 into 9 is 99. 7 into 9 is 63. And then 13 into 7 is 91. 9 into 7 is 63. Water is not changing if you observe carefully. Can I say that initially it is 99 liters of milk. Finally it is 91 liters of milk. That means according to my assumption, I took out 8 liters of milk. I removed 8 liters of milk. But the question says, I am not removing 8 liters. I am removing 24 liters of milk. 8 is becoming 24. 8 into which number is 24? 8 into 3 is only 24. Your question is, find the quantity of water in the vessel. Water quantity, anyway both the cases it is the same value 63. That 63 also should be multiplied by the same multiplying factor 3. 63 into 3. Answer is 189. Answer is 189. See the next question, sir. Same logic. Once you understand, these are all very easy way of solving questions. The ratio of milk and water. The ratio of milk and water is 2:3. That means milk and water ratio is given as 2:3 by chemical process. If we extract some water from the vessel, that means I am removing water in this case. I am subtracting or I am taking out some water in this case by chemical process. If we extract some water from the vessel, then the ratio becomes 5:7. That means they are saying that I am taking out some water from the vessel, so the ratio will become 5:7. Read the next statement. And because the ratio becomes 5:7, the quantity of mixture reduced to 36 liters. That means this 5:7, when the ratio becomes 5:7, the quantity of the mixture will become 36 liters it seems. Can I say like this? Think logically. According to the ratio, the quantity of mixture right now is 5 plus 7, 12. But question says it is 36. 12 into 3 is 36. 5 also multiply by 3. 5 into 3 is 15. 3 or 7 also multiply by 3. 7 into 3 is 21. That means finally there is 15 liters of milk. There is 21 liters of water. This is what I can say. Now again think little logically, sir. Can I say that initial ratio was 2:3 and finally it became 15:21. Finally it became 15:21. Can I say that? Can I say that you are removing some water? That means you are removing some water means that milk is not affected. That means according to ratio initially milk is 2. Finally it became 15. So 7.5 is the multiplying factor. 3 also multiply by 7.5. 3 into 7.5 is, it is 22.5. That means initially 15 liters of milk was present. Initially 15 liters of milk was present. 22.5 liters of water was present. But finally 15 liters of milk is still present because I am not removing any milk from the vessel, but I am removing some water from the vessel, so that the final water became 21 liter. How much of quantity of water was extracted? 22.5 is becoming 21. I removed 1.5 liters of water. Answer for this question is 1.5. Answer for this question is 1.5. Suppose for example, if I say this as my method 1, can I solve this in another method? Definitely yes, why not? Definitely yes. See here, method 2, you will get the same answer, sir. That is the beauty of learning through concepts. Method 2, initial ratio is 2:3 and you are taking out some liters of water. Final ratio became 5:7. Now what I will do is, can I say that milk is not changing? So here if it is 2, here also it should be 2, or it should be any other same number. 2 and 5 LCM is 10. 2 should become 10. Multiply by 5. 5 should become 10. Multiply by 2. So this becomes 5 into 2 10, 5 into 3 15. This is nothing but 10:15. This is nothing but 5 into 2 5 into 7. This is nothing but 10:14. Can I say that initially 15 liters of milk water was present, finally 14 liters of water is present? That means I removed 1 liter of water. I removed 1 liter of water according to the ratio. According to the ratio, I removed 1 liter of water. But the question says how much they have removed, how much liter of water is removed. Can I also say that final ratio, final value according to the ratio is 10 plus 14, it is 24 liters of mixture, but question says it is not 24. It is given in the question that the quantity of mixture reduced to 36 liter, but the question says 36 liter. 24 is becoming 36. Multiply by 36 by 24 or multiply by 3 by 2. The same multiplying factor of 3 by 2. Use it here also. 1 into 3 by 2 is, it is 3 by 2 or 1.5 liters of water is removed. The same answer of 1.5 is what I got in my method 1 also. You decide which is the best method for you.